Maharashtra Premier League 2025. We are all set at the MCA International Stadium in Pune for match number 26 between Raigad Royals and Eagle Nashik Titans.
The update from the toss, the Eagle Nashik Titans have won the toss. No surprises, they have decided to bowl first.
These are the revised playing conditions for today's match number 26 between Eagle Nashik Titans and Raigad Royals. The match is reduced to 18 overs per side. The power play will be for the first 5 overs. Here's a quick look at the playing 11 of both the teams. Raigad Royals led by Rishabh Rathod. Siddesh Veer, who is likely to open the batting, a centurion in the match when Raigad Royals last played against Eagle Nashik Titans. He was also the player of the match.
Vicky Oswal and Siddesh Veer. Vicky Oswal has been pumped up the order since the last couple of games.
The countdown has begun and we are just few seconds away from the first ball of this all-important match between Raigad Royals and Eagle Nashik Titans. Mukesh Chaudhary with the new ball in hand. Starts off well, does Mukesh Chaudhary over the wicket angle for the right-handed Vicky Ostwal. Goes aerial, Vicky Ostwal. He's got the height and the distance and deposits it into the stands for the first 6 of this match. Vicky Ostwal, you stellar.
Short of length could have carried to the deep square leg, but this is too short. Got all the time, all the elevation needed for this shot and goes above. That is hit over the covers for a 4.
Again goes up in the air, but not much timing onto that. Answer, catch. Mukesh Chaudhary takes it. And Eagle Nashik Titans have drawn first blood as they get the better of Vicky Ostwal in the very second over.
That's a very good wicket. They tried putting in the field for that one, and you could make out towards the fielder, trying to hoik that one over long on, but in the end getting the top edge, and Oswal once again goes back.
Again beaten him, and this time it beats Mandar Bhandari, the wicketkeeper as well. We'll wait for the umpire's signal. Steps out and drilled it straight. Siddesh Veer, that ball goes as straight as an arrow for a boundary. Pulled away. This time Siddesh Veer was waiting and he gets the maximum reward for it. 6 to Siddesh Veer's name.
Again, sounds like a shot. Picked up the short length delivery and dispatched it for a huge 6. Beautiful shot, that one. Right on the money.
That's up and over. Clears the mid-on with ease and the ball will trickle down to the fence for yet another boundary. From 19 deliveries. Again up and over. Third man is in place and a safe pair of hands. Raigad Royals, they have lost their second as Rugved More will have to depart after scoring just 6 runs of 10 deliveries.
Again trying to go aerial there, but getting the outer meat of the bat and the ball flying towards deep third. Tried to go that one, top edge on that one, but didn't get as much as meat needed. Couldn't clear the, and in the end a very easy catch. Rugved More goes for 6, 37 for 2. Rugved More goes for 6, 37 for 2.
Short ball pulled in the air. Fielders are going to be spectators. He's not going to stop himself. Siddesh Veer. Short ball, a brilliant shot. 6 runs.
सिद्धेश वीर छोटी गेंद छोड़ते नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, इंतजार करते हैं छोटी गेंद का तो, और इससे ये भी पता चलता है कि जहां चाहे ना वो मार सकते हैं गेंद को.
Left arm spinner goes straight, goes big. Sangvi
ऊपर डाल के एक बार फिर से संपर्क बढ़िया हुआ है. लीजिए 6 और जोड़ दीजिए.
Rightly said, he was looking to attack there, but this time around, first 2 balls have been deposited in the same area. If you look at the wagon wheel, It's copy paste shots, similar deliveries.
इस फॉर्मेट में 6 से कम की इकोनॉमी कमाल है भाई. एक बार फिर से मौका है, बन गया जी मौका. बड़ा शॉट लगाने की कोशिश थी, तीसरा छक्का मारने की कोशिश थी इसी ओवर में, लेकिन ये अक्षय वाइकर हैं, इन्हें पता है किस तरीके से वापसी करनी है और करके दिखाई है. विकेट दिलाई है अपनी टीम को और 37 रन की साझेदारी को तोड़ा है.
12 in the first two. Again, just enticing the batter, giving him the invite to go big. And Sangvi will have to walk back. He scored 21 of 15, 74 for 3, the Royals.
Akshay Vaikar to continue, and he's greeted with a big stroke, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Rohan Damle there. He'll not miss out on those easy peasy catches. And Akshay Vaikar, he has been a genuine wicket taker for the Titans.
And this one too, enticing the batter to play that cross delivery, and a very good catch by the fielder. Siddeshveer goes back on 29, 79 for 4.
Adani MPL 2025. And Prashant Solanki is greeted with a good looking stroke by Omkar Khatpe.
Using the full face of the bat. A regular.
Akshay Vaikar to continue. And he gets another. Akshay Vaikar sees, and he has conquered another wicket of the Raigad Royals. 5th wicket down for the Royals inside the 13 overs.
Akshay Vaikar taking that left arm spinner, doesn't give room. Tried to hoik that one off the back foot, but then holding out to long off there. Arshan Kulkarni takes a very good catch. Omkar Khatpe.
That was in the air. A chance for the fielder. Tough one though, but beats the infield, beats the field and collects the first boundary. Does the captain of Raigad Royals, Rishabh Rathod.
Massive variation of speed. This one going aerial on that one. Neeraj Joshi connecting that one very well. A very big six above. Extra cover there. Good runs coming in for the Raigad Royals.
A rare mistake from Mukesh Chaudhary. He's usually right on the money. He usually in line and length, but this time it was again wide outside off stump. Room for Neeraj Joshi to open the laws of physics. I like that. That's up in the air. Rishabh Rathod. He's not cleared the fielder there, and the fielder takes it. This one, Ranjit Nikam, he's not going to miss one. And Rishabh Rathod, the captain of Raigad Royals, will have to depart for 6. But this is what happened. The 6th wicket, Rishabh Rathod, the captain of Raigad Royals, he wanted to go big. He wanted to go aggressive, but Ranjit Nikam making no mistake this time. A fabulous catch against the run of play. Raigad Royals have lost their 6th wicket. At the end of 14 overs, it's Nelson on the scoreboard for the Royals. 1-1-1 for 6. Vicky Ostwal and Siddeshveer started the proceedings for the Royals. Stitched a 13-run stand before Vicky Ostwal was dismissed for 13. Siddeshveer, the stylish southpaw, he continued to hold the fort for the Royals, top scoring so far with 29 runs of 22 balls. Harsh Sanghvi too chipped in with 21 of 15. Right now at the moment, Neeraj Joshi is still batting on 16 of 11 deliveries. 6 bowlers have been used so far by Eagle Nashik Titans, and the pick of them has been Akshay Vaikar, chipping in with 3 wickets, giving away 27 runs in 3 overs. And beside him, Mukesh Chaudhary, Manoj Ingre and Arshan Kulkarni, the 3 speedsters, have scalped 1 wicket apiece. So it's 1-1-1 for 6 after 14 overs. The covers are again back at the MC International Stadium in Pune. The groundsmen are up and running with their jobs to dry the ground as soon as possible. But we'll wait for the rain god to have an off today, and we'll come with all the live updates on the other side of the break. Do stay tuned with us. Thank you. Hello and welcome back to Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. It was match number 26 between Raigad Royals and Eagle Nashik Titans. We were live from MCA International Stadium in Pune. 26. It was. We were live at MC International Stadium in Pune. But we have come up with some bad news for all the cricket fans, all the cricket lovers, all the cricket connoisseurs. You can see that the covers are still on at the MC International Stadium in Pune. The ground staff has been phenomenal, but unfortunately the incessant rainfall has dwindled our expectations, and the match has been abandoned between Raigad Royals and Eagle Nashik Titans.